Hi there, students. A sash, a countable noun. Okay, I think either a sash is a piece of clothing. It's like a strip of cloth that's worn over the shoulder and comes down. You can't really see this, but it's black on black. But that's a sash. Yeah, a strip of cloth worn over the shoulder and comes down at the side. This is very often used in military uniforms or in an official ceremony. You see, when the Miss World contest, when they give the winner a sash which she puts on. Yeah, and this is a sash. You could also have a sash round your waist, like a cummerbund. So that's what you wear with a formal suit round your waist. It's sort of like a strip of cloth, yeah, around your waist. But to me, a sash much more is from one side of the shoulder to the other. Yeah, so he wore his sash of office. Yeah. Very often you see military gentlemen wearing a sash to prove quite how important they are. Now, a sash, or as a modifier, it talks about a window. Yeah, a sash window. To me, a sash window are these ones where you've got two different squares and you lift one up, or you can pull the top one down, and that is a sash window, as opposed to a casement window that opens the other way. Yeah, a casement window has two hinges and opens like that. A sash window doesn't have sashes, it has two lead weights in the side, so to support it going up and down. Although you can use sash to talk about the frame for the piece of glass when making windows and doors, but I think particularly when they've got these little squares. But to me, a sash window, they're the ones that go up and down. I personally much prefer sash windows. They're more versatile. Okay, and then I guess you could even use this as a verb, to sash, to tie something round the middle of it. So please would you sash this to the bicycle, to take a piece of cloth or a rope and put it round something and tie it to something else. So it's like you're putting a sash, this strip of material, on the on whatever you're trying to tie down. Okay, so a sash, a strip or a loop of cloth that's worn over one shoulder, yeah, particularly part of a uniform, or as a prize, the prize winner's sash as well. And as I said, it could go round the waist as well. And then a sash window, yeah, these ones with the two sliding frames that come up and down, although the sash more technically is actually just the frame that holds the pieces of glass. So a sash that you wear, formality. 5, informality, use it anywhere. A sash window, it's technical. 5, informality, use anywhere. To sash something in place, 5, informality as well. And then as to origin, okay, the sash comes from Arabic, from sas, a piece of cloth or a piece of muslin, and the sash that you wear is a piece of cloth. Yeah, so that's good, a word from Arabic, sas. And the sash window comes, I think, from French, from chassis, but from the chassis of something, the framework of something, the base. Normally you have the chassis of a car. Yeah, it's the basic bit that holds everything together and that you put everything in. Okay, so sash. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sash.